Hey guys, welcome back to the another video. So in this video, we will be learning about how you can group by your data. It's the similar way you create pivot table in Excel, the way we can group by the data in R. So for that, you have to call your library, and we have the data frame here. Okay, so let's again view our data frame. Okay, great. So now let's suppose we have a cycle here. So I want to see the count of this column because we have distinct value 3 here. So we will use group by function. So in the group by, we will use our data frame. Then we will use percentile, and then we will use the count function, and then we can use like whatever the column we want. So as you can see here, this is the 468, the unique value of the CIL column, and the other is the count of the this distinct value. Now we can restore this in a variable. So I am storing in the A. Okay. Now view A. So here you can see the count of the distinct value. Similarly, you can change the column to see the count of the any other like I can see HP versus M, and if I do this, so this is changed. Okay, so this is changed now. So now we will do the more function like mean in a manner to like find out the group by values. So I'll use here like our data frame. Then I'll use this percentile value. Then I'll use summarize. In the summarize, I'll use the display column as a mean display, and I'll use HP column as a mean HP. Okay, if I run this command, this will show the mean value of display and HP. So we have the data frame here. So column number fourth and fifth. The mean value of these is this. So how? And another thing, you can also see the statics of your table by using the summary and your data frame. So this will give you the statics for each column or of your data frame. For example, the first column is the character, so it's giving the character only. The second column, the here in the third column and the fourth column, it's going the minimum value, first quarantine value, median, mean, third quarantine, or maximum value. So this is the statics we will be getting by these functions. So in the coming videos, we will more talk about the deeply in the data science part or data analytics parts. For the more updates, you can subscribe the channel, and till date, bye bye.